Number 17, black coat pigmentation is controlled in multiple livestock species by the extension locus. We looked at that in cattle, we looked at that in horses, and we looked at that in pigs. So yeah, it's definitely the extension locus. Moving on, which of the following, when implemented in the Gulf Coast region of the United States, would have the best production system and complementarity? So letter choice A, Charolais bulls. So we have more of a what's thought of as a sire type breed, used by artificial insemination to Brahman Hereford crossbred cows. These Brahman Hereford crossbred cows are going to get a lot of maternal heterosis. They're excellent mothers. So that sounds pretty good. Charolais bulls used by artificial insemination to Charolais Hereford cows. Well, we're going to lose some of our direct heterosis because we're going to have Charolais in the crossbred cows as well as the bull. So that's not the best choice. Angus bulls used by artificial insemination is the Angus Simmental cows. Same thing as we talked about in letter B. Brahman Hereford crossbred bulls bred to Charolais cows. That's the exact opposite. And we're not going to have any maternal heterosis. Our Charolais animals are not necessarily thought of the most maternal breed. And then we have our Charolais bulls used by artificial insemination to Simmental cows. We don't get a whole lot of maternal hybrid vigor from having a purebred cow. So the best choice for production system complementarity is going to be crossbred bulls used by artificial insemination to F1 Brahman Hereford cows. Moving on to number 19. In cattle coat color inheritance, all have some form of genetic dominance. All have some form of dominance. Note we're just saying form of dominance is a genetic action, except for. I already had a check mark on dilution. So yes, dilution. So big D, big D, big D, and little d, all give different things. Spotting locus, we talked about earlier, there is codominance in the spotting locus, so that is some form of dominance. Extension locus, we know that big E is dominant over little e. Roning there is not any dominance because big R, little r, and little r all give different things. So the correct answer here is dilution and roning, so A and D. And then the last multiple choice question regarding the photo above, which of the following is true? This is not a hair-producing goat. The Dorper is not a goat. It did not originate in Australia. It did result from crossing a black-headed Persian with something, but it is not the Rambouillet. This is correct. This is not correct. It does not produce mohair. But they are a hair sheep, and they're normally used for meat production. So letter E regarding this Dorper right here, or number 20, regarding this Dorper right here, the correct answer choice is that it's a hair sheep that's normally used for meat production.